Welcome to Bethlahem Institute of Engineering. Bethlahem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
Okay, second year students, our subject name is Spark Ignition Engine. Okay, our subject name is Spark Ignition Engine. In this subject, we studied the petrol engine, full petrol engines. Okay, petrol engine technologies only we are studied in this subject, how the petrol engines are operating. Okay, so here we studied the how the power and efficiency of the spark ignition engine vary with the air fuel ratio for different load and speed condition. Okay, that means in the spark ignition engine, the fuel ratio is different from the load and speed condition. So that only we studied in the question. So I told to you. So in this air fuel ratio, that was rich mixture, normal mixture, are taken in the carburetor. Okay, they're taken in the carburetor. So as per the requirement, okay, as per the requirement of engine, the carburetor provides an air fuel ratio which must be within the combustion range. The requirement of the engine, the carburetor provides air fuel ratio. Okay, how much amount of power want to the engine? That period, the carburetor provide the air fuel ratio mixer inside the engine. The input and output are different. Okay, that here gives the engine is cold at the time of starting, so very rich mixer is required. In the cold starting time, the fuel ratio is very rich mixer. That means the fuel amount is high and the air amount is very low. So rich mixer is also required at the time of idling and producing maximum power. Idling and maximum power. So in the spark ignition engine, the carburetor is the mixer. Okay, inside the carburetor, the air and fuel is mixing, and how much amount of air fuel mixture is given to the engine at that time, the engine requirement only the fuel and air fuel mixture is supplied to the engine to take the power. Okay, so the here during the normal running and comparatively lean mixer can be used for petrol engines. Okay, so here also three types of mixer I already told: rich mixer, normal mixer, and leon mixers. So the three mixers are created inside the carburetor by the function of the driver's function. How the driver is operating the vehicle. At that time, the three types of mixer is mixing inside the carburetor. When the driver give the full acceleration, at that time the rich mixer is created. At the high speed of the running also there is a mixer is a normal mixer. Then in the starting period, the mixer is a rich mixer. Then idling speed, the mixer is leon mixer. That leon mixer means the percentage of fuel level is very low and the air also very low. That is a mixing. Here we see the uh, five types of mixing, that five types of air fuel ratio. Oh, sorry, five types of air fuel ratio. Okay, here first is air fuel ratio for starting. Okay, when the engine is starting, at that time the mixer is a rich mixer. Okay, at that time the mixer is a rich mixer. What's my rich mixer? Rich mixer is a nothing. The fuel amount is high and the air amount is very low. Here 10 is to 1. Okay, the fuel amount is 10 percentage and the air amount is okay. The very rich mixer, 10 is to 1 is required at starting of engine. During the starting, very small amount of fuel is vaporized and rest of it stay in the liquid state so as to given on the ignitable mixer. So this is the air fuel ratio for starting period. The starting period the mixer is rich mixer. Already I told the carburetor three types of mixer is created: rich mixer, normal mixer and Leon mixer. Okay, then second one is air fuel ratio for idling. Idling means when the engine is started without acceleration. Okay, without acceleration, the engine will be running. That the speed is the idle speeding. An idle engine demand a rich mixer which can be made linear as the throttle is gradually opened. During the idling, the presence in the inlet manifold is about 20 to 25 percentage at atmospheric pressure. At suction stroke, inlet valve opens and the product of combustion trapped in the clearance volume expanded in the inlet manifold. Later, when the position moves downwards, the gases along with the fresh charge got into the cylinder. Okay. Then another one is third one is air fuel ratio for medium load. Most of the time engine is running in medium load condition, therefore it is distributable that the running should be most economically in this condition. Okay, in this condition the economically this fuel mixing is very low only. Medium normally the mixer is greater. So the Leon mixer is the fuel amount is equal to the air. So a Leon mixer can be supplied and engine have low fuel consumption at a medium load. Okay, I already told no. That's a Leon mixer means fuel levels and air levels are as the same. That's a air fuel ratio of the medium load. Okay. Then fourth one is air fuel ratio for maximum power range. When maximum power is required, the engine must be supplied with rich mixer as the economic is no consideration. As the engine enters in the power range, the spark must be retract, otherwise knocking would occur. A Leon mixer a Leon mixer burn at later parts of working stroke. As the exhaust valve exposed to high temperature gases and have very less time to cool down. Okay, the fourth one is the air fuel ratio of a maximum power range. Okay, maximum power range in this engine, the air engine must be supplied with rich mixer as the economic is of the consideration. When the engine's power power is very low, there is the knocking sound is created. So, okay, so that is the air fuel ratio for the maximum power range. So we'll control it. Okay, okay. Then fifth one is air fuel ratio for acceleration. Even during normal running, sometimes more power is required for the start period, such as to acceleration the vehicle for overtaking, etc. During this period, the rich mixture is required. Okay, when the rich mixture is created in the engine is starting time and overtaking when we will take the overtaking the vehicle, at that time you change the gear and the engine power is increase. Engine power, we can increase the engine, we will increase the engine power. At the time the fuel economic is high, so that mixing is called as rich mixer. In this mixer the fuel level is high and the air level is very low. So this is the air fuel ratio for the different load and speed condition. Okay, thank you.